Hey guys, this is math for Wednesday, May 13th. We only have 1 week left. It's crazy. All right, math 65, we're on set 137, multiplying mixed numbers. Now, remember with addition and subtraction, when you add or subtract fractions, you have to have the same denominator. That is not the case when you multiply or divide by fractions. So what you have to do when you have mixed numbers, though, is you have to put them in the same shape, which means that you will make the mixed number an improper fraction. So for example, if you have 1/5 times 4 1/2. Oh, I put fifth. 4 1/2. First, we write the mixed number as an improper fraction. So let's do that. So remember that we turn this into an improper fraction by saying 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So let's rewrite this. 9, and then we keep our denominator the same. Nothing changes about our denominator. Okay, and then we are going to multiply straight across. 1 times 9 is 9. 5 times 2 is 10. So we have 9/10, and that is our answer. Let's try a whole number by a mixed number. We have 3 times 2 1/3. We remember we have to get these in the like terms. We have to get them in the same shape. So what we're going to do first is change our mixed number into an improper fraction. So I'm going to bring my 3 down. Multiply it by, okay, so then we have 3 times 2, which is 6 plus 1 is 7. Keep it over the same denominator. Now, to multiply, we're going to give this a denominator of 1 because we remember that that does not change the value here. And then we multiply straight across. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 times 3 is 3. Now, we can simplify this. It is still an improper fraction, so we need to change that. So we make that a division problem. 21 divided by 3, and we know that 3 goes into 21 7 times, so our answer is 7. Okay, let's try one more together. What if they are both mixed numbers? 1 1/2 times 1 3/4. This is super great to know when you're cooking and you have to mix measurements. Okay, the first step is to make these both improper fractions. 2 times 1 is 2, and then I add the numerator, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Keep my denominator the same. Multiplied by 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. And then I keep my denominator the same. Okay, then I'm going to multiply 3 times 7 is 21. 2 times 4 is 8. Then I turn this into a division problem. 21 divided by 8. Okay, 8 goes into 21 2 times. 2 times 8, 16. And we're going to subtract. 11 minus 6 is 5. And then I write my remainder over my divisor so that I have a mixed number. Okay, I want you guys to try practice problems B, D, and E. B, D, and E. And then you have set 137, which is odd or all. And you will need to do 20 and, let's see, 20 and 20, oh, that's odd. Sorry, yes, 20 and 24 will be your extra. So 137, odd, 20 and 24 are your extra problems. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay, so today's lesson is a little strange because we need a protractor, but I'm going to teach you the basics so that you won't have any practice problems. And then it's set 125, or number 125 in the book and 26 in the book. Unless you have a protractor at home, you will not need to do these. Okay, the word bisect means to cut into 2 equal parts. We bisect a line segment when we draw a line or segment through the middle, the midpoint of the segment. So here you can see that we have segment AB, and it's bisected by the line R into two segments, okay? The M is our midpoint. So we have AB, and then we cut through it with line R. And then over here, we bisect an angle by drawing a ray that divides the original angle into two smaller angles. So our first angle was RST, and then we bisected it by drawing another line through it, line B, and that gave us additional angles for RSB, BST. And that is bisecting. So then the rest of them are an activity that if you have a protractor, you may do. If not, then I can't expect you to do that. But if you guys have any questions on any other thing in this set, let me know. So it's set 135 odd for all, and do not need to do 25 or 26 unless you have a protractor. Then it would be great if you were able to do those numbers. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and have a great day.